This is the Christmas tree at the main lobby at the House of Representatives. Speaker Lord Allan Velasco's turn to lead the annual House tradition took place on the feast day of the Immaculate Conception. He led the annual Christmas tree lighting with Majority Leader Ferdinand Martin Romualdez. Velasco assured the House will still have its Christmas celebration, no matter how simple it may be. The annual activity was organized by the House in cooperation with the Congressional Spouses Foundation Incorporated, led by the Speaker's wife, Rowena. A closer look at the House Christmas tree, however, reveals this tag.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.